Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You need 3 things right away: a CPU with VTX or AMD, a Pro/Enterprise/Education Windows build, and virtualization enabled in firmware. Reboot, press the motherboard key, then locate CPU or security settings and toggle virtualization to on. Once done, save and exit. Windows will restart. Make sure Secure Boot isn't blocking firmware changes. If you prefer a quick check before rebooting, open Task Manager. Go to Performance and verify virtualization reads enabled so you know the firmware change took effect. Now enable the Hyper-V platform inside Windows. You can turn Windows features on or off, check Hyper-V in Management Tools, then click OK. Windows will apply changes and prompt for restart. Or run PowerShell as admin. Enable Windows optional feature online feature name Microsoft Hyper-V all to automate it. Once Windows restarts, open Hyper-V Manager, install the manager if not present, and create an external virtual switch so your VMs can reach the LAN. These steps set up the hypervisor and basic networking. Finish by restarting one more time to ensure Hyper-V modules load. You'll open Hyper-V Manager, choose New Right Arrow Virtual Machine, attach your ISO, allocate RAM and CPU, and start the VM. Make sure integration services are enabled for guest tools. If the hypervisor doesn't appear or VMs fail to start, disable competing technologies like VirtualBox or WSL2 temporarily or toggle Secure Boot. Sometimes firmware needs a toggle to reapply virtualization. If errors persist, run systeminfo and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.